This video, I like to explain on the isolation of RF mixer. Let's take a look on this mixer. So the desired portion of mixer is to convert the power. Let's say this is a RF port. They want to convert the power at the RF port to the IF, but the frequency at the RF and IF is different. So basically, in short, they actually convert the power from one frequency to the another frequency. However, okay, there are several forms of isolation. Firstly, okay, we have this LO to IF isolation. When we actually insert a power at the LO, somehow it will be actually lead to the IF. Let's say this is a receiver. Okay, so the IF in fact will be connected to the amplifier, and this may distort the signal. So this is actually undesired. Another isolation will be the LO to RF isolation. Again, imagine this when I actually insert a power at the LO port, and again, somehow it also lead to the RF. Imagine for a receiver, this part will be connected to the antenna, and this can be a disturbance source also. Hence, this is also undesired. While for this RF to IF isolation, it is actually lower important. Okay, why? Okay, because this is what we want. We want the RF signal to be able to appear at the IF without changing the shape and the size of the signal. We only want to change the frequency. So this is actually the role of mixer. We want the signal, original signal, the shape and size remain intact from RF to IF with only the frequency change. So basically, in short, this is what I have for you for the isolation. We have the LO to IF isolation, LO to RF isolation, which is critical when we actually talk about the performance of RF mixer. If you want to know more, see the playlist under the description. Thank you so much.